Okay? I'm talking about the construction project, y'all. But with God's help, you can rebuild the wall. With his strength, you do not have to take a long time to do so. God said 50 in 2 days. Okay? Because why? You can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you. Okay? So when the enemy attacks your spiritual reconstruction project, do not quit. You can't quit. You got to keep building your spiritual walls. And you got to set a watch. Okay? So I teach you about spiritual warfare through my story.